Do you have some flour, eggs, and carrots at home? Then you can make this delicious and yummy snack or breakfast in less than 20 minutes. Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious mini pancakes with carrots. Let's get started. So here I've got 3 carrots which we'll be using. I've got 2 eggs and a 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. The next thing and first thing I'll do is to clean and cut the box below. Do check that out. I'll also be adding 1 cup of milk, but you can use water. You can also use powdered milk. Then I'll cover and blend everything until smooth. After blending, this is what we have, but we're not done yet. I'll go ahead to add my all-purpose flour into the blender and blend, but you can also pour it out into another bowl and mix the flour with it. Next, I'll add a teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of nutmeg. You can use any flavor of your choice. If you have vanilla extract or essence, you can also use that. I did not add all the flour at once. I will add the remaining after I mix this one for a bit so that the blender doesn't get Look at how beautiful, silk, and smooth the butter is. That's how yummy the cakes will be. So the next thing we'll do now is to start frying. To make our mini pancakes, I'll just add a little tiny bit of oil into the pan, dry pan of course. Spread the oil and then scoop in a little of the batter. The batter you're scooping or dropping in depends on the size or how big or small you want your pancakes to be. I told we are making mini pancakes, so I'm not going to drop much. And another secret to get it to not to spread all over the pan is by not adding too much oil. Remember we used butter in the mixture of our batter, so we're not adding too much oil into the pan. If you add much oil, the batter will spread all over your frying pan. So I've given you the secret now. Thank me for that. Then we allow this to fry on low heat for about 5 to 7 minutes before flipping it over. By then we would have seen all this dot bump bump on the pancake. And after about 5 minutes again, if you are not sure they are well cooked, you're free to flip it over again. Continue to do that until you're sure your pancakes are well fried and cooked inside. But it does not take time to cook or fry. And look at that carrot color, so beautiful. After about 12 minutes of frying on both sides, your pancakes should be done by now. Then take them out from the pan and continue to fry in the same method and process. And you can decide not to fry with oil again, the pancake will still fry. But what I do is after about 2 batches, I'll add a little bit of oil and continue to fry that way. And at the end of the day, this is what we have. Beautiful and well fried mini pancakes. And they tasted as yummy and delicious as they look. You can enjoy this with some pancake syrup, some honey or maple syrup, any one you have or you like. You can also eat it plain like that, like me. Then take your juice or your chocolate or your coffee, anyone you like to. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I hope you're going to give us a thumbs up and also share the video to your friends and loved ones. Thank you all for watching. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.